Welcome to this meditation focused on the Solar Plexus Chakra, or Manipura Chakra. The Solar Plexus Chakra is located in the upper abdomen, near the stomach, and it governs personal power, confidence, and self-worth. Today we will work with breath, sound, and hand gestures, mudras, to activate and balance this energy center, helping you feel empowered and confident. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either cross-legged on the floor or sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the support beneath you. As you breathe, relax your body into this support. Bring your awareness to the area 2 inches above your navel, the location of the Solar Plexus Chakra. Now, imagine a bright yellow light radiating from this area. With every inhale, visualize this yellow light growing brighter, filling your body with warmth and power. With every exhale, release any doubts or insecurities, allowing them to dissolve. We'll now use a rhythmic breathing pattern to strengthen this chakra. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. This balanced breathing brings energy and stability to the Solar Plexus Chakra, helping you connect with your inner strength. To activate the energy of the Solar Plexus Chakra, we will chant the seed mantra, Ram. This sound resonates with the Manipura Chakra and enhances your sense of power and self-confidence. On your next inhale, chant the mantra, Ram, as you exhale.
Ram.
Feel the sound vibrating in your upper abdomen. Repeat this with me 3 times, or as many times as you feel comfortable. Begin. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. Great job. Now let's bring our attention to the hands. Place your hands on your knees and form the Rudra Mudra by touching the tips of your thumb, index finger, and ring finger together, while the middle and pinky fingers remain extended. This mudra is known for enhancing inner strength and stability. Breathe deeply while holding this mudra, feeling the energy of empowerment and warmth rising from your solar plexus. Let this energy expand, filling your entire being with confidence. Let's try this 2 times. Begin. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. Next, we'll move into the Uttarabodhi Mudra. Bring your hands together in front of your chest, interlace the fingers, and extend both index fingers upward while touching the tips of the thumbs together. This mudra enhances confidence and personal power. As you hold this mudra, imagine the yellow light from your solar plexus chakra growing even brighter. See yourself standing tall, embodying strength and confidence. Feel the power of your intentions, knowing that you are capable of achieving your goals. Let's try this 3 rounds. Begin. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
Ram.
Hold. As we prepare to close this meditation, take a moment to appreciate the strength within you, knowing you are now ready to move on to intermediate solar plexus chakra meditations or boost this chakra's energy whenever needed. When you are ready, slowly release the mudra and bring your hands to your heart in a prayer position. Take a final deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you leave feeling more confident, empowered, and aligned with your true self.